Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Fox Drawing Skills. In this video we draw characters based on the game The Garden of Banban. Watch the video up to the end and you will see the drawing process step by step. So let's get started. Please share my video with a friend to help my channel grow. This is very important to me and I will be grateful. Please support the development of my young channel and subscribe. Practice drawing with me. I will help you make the process exciting and you will definitely like the result. Hope to see you soon on my new tutorials. Let's draw together again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.